Today, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF into a Word document for free using Adobe Acrobat. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know 2 simple ways to turn those locked PDFs into fully editable Word files, perfect for making changes, reformatting, or copying text. We'll cover both the Adobe Acrobat online tool and the free version of the desktop app, so you can choose whichever method works best for you. Let's start with the easiest approach, which is using Adobe Acrobat's online converter. Imagine you've just received a PDF, maybe a resume or a school report, and you need to tweak a few lines or add your own touch, but you only have Word on your computer. No need to panic or hunt down expensive software. The solution is right on your browser. First, head to the Adobe PDF to Word converter online. Just type Adobe PDF to Word online into your search bar, or go directly to the Adobe website. It should pop right up. Once you're there, look for the big Select a File button, usually front and center. If you already have your PDF file ready on your desktop, you can simply drag and drop it into the drop zone. It's super user-friendly. If you prefer, just click Select a File and choose your PDF from your computer. Here's where the magic happens. As soon as you upload your PDF, Adobe Acrobat starts working behind the scenes to convert your document into Word format. You don't need to set any fancy options or install anything. It just takes a moment or two, depending on how big your PDF is. If you're converting a multi-page document, just be patient. It might take an extra second. Remember, the quality of the conversion depends partly on how clear and structured your original PDF is, but Adobe does a great job with most standard documents. Once it's done, you'll see a prompt to download your new Word document. Go ahead and click the Download button. Save the file somewhere you'll remember, like your desktop or your Documents folder. Double-click it to open in Microsoft Word, and now you can edit, format, or copy any information you need without restrictions. No more copying and pasting line by line. This method saves you tons of time. But what if you're working with the Adobe Acrobat desktop application? That's our second method. Even the free version of Acrobat lets you export PDFs to Word, so you don't need a paid subscription for this feature. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download the free version from Adobe's website. Once the file is open, look over to the right pane. You'll notice a tool called Export PDF. Click on that. It's designed for exactly this purpose. A new window or set of options will appear. Here, choose Microsoft Word as your export format, and then select Word document. If you see a couple of Word options, just stick with the standard one. Now click Export. Acrobat will process your file, and you might see a dialog box pop up asking where you want to save your new Word document. Name your file something relevant so you can find it easily later. Choose your preferred location. Maybe make a habit of using a dedicated folder for converted files, and then click Save. That's it. You now have a fully editable Word document created for free with Adobe Acrobat. Whether you use the online tool or the desktop app, both methods work reliably and don't require any advanced technical skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any tricky PDFs. And if you want more step-by-step guides on using Adobe tools, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!